Guys, it's me again, Ron, and yes, I have an ugly face. Wow. But okay, I was at Merch X. It was a skate store, store, indie store. Well, me and my team went there to film our team video because our footage at our own spot, our own park, is not just enough. So we planned to go to Merch X. Just got home right now, and yeah, I was gonna buy a Black River truck, mellow yellow. It was its condition is 9.5 out of 10, so it has the Black River trucks plus the lock nuts, but it has no tool or the screw, cause I don't know. But it's 2,000 pesos for an original price of 2,900. If you buy here in the Philippines a brand new price, you'll get the cheapest as 3,500. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna show you what I got since I didn't had to my the guy yung tao na makikipag-meet up sana sa akin ay hindi siya dumating. So, yes, bumili na lang ako ng gamit ko. Actually, I don't think na naswerte ko doon or minalas ako pero naawa na lang kasi ako sa kasama ko. So, I just got my foam tape here replaced. Okay, so I got Bullet Wheels Gray X Series. So, ito na yung storya nun. So, yung kasama ko kasi may oak wheels siya. So, binenta niya sa akin in 500. Kaso lang, gusto ko rin kasi ng bullet wheels. Actually, ito na lang kasi nag-iisang bullet wheels na gray. Pareho namin gusto to. But I would sell more for white. Pero walang white. Natitira na lang is one set na ganito. Isa na lang na ganito tapos dalawang red. Since may R1 naman ako na red. And I think na hindi naman ganun kaganda. Well, hindi ko naman sinasabi na hindi maganda ang bullet wheels. Actually, ito yung X series. Sana yung hindi X series muna binili ko pero open cap siya. So, wala naman akong tiwala sa open caps. Okay, so yung story nun is meron siyang oak wheels. Binenta niya na sa akin ng 450 pesos. So, yung 500 din-discounted niya na sa akin yung 50 para makabili kasi siya neto. Nung nakabili na siya, nung paalis na kami, so, parang ayaw niya na talaga pakawalan yung oak. So, trade niya na lang. Nag-trade kami. Ito, so, parang nang lumabas, bumili ako ng ganto na 450 pesos plus dadagdagan niya pa ng 50 pesos ng 150 pesos. Ganun. So, yes. So, sorry na lang kung na-disappoint ko yung nag-meet sa akin kung nagpunta ka nga doon kasi medyo gabi na and from Pasig to Mandaluyong, yes, medyo na-disappoint ako doon. Pero okay lang, okay lang. I'll just buy another set. May mga ibang set naman doon na sa fan page na gusto kong bilhin na second hand. Okay, so yun lang guys and watch out for our team videos, Tanig Natos FB. Okay, peace out. Shoutouts nga pala sa mga nakasama si Carl, Gio Bernardo, Carl Tablan, Vince, and nakalimutan ko yung isa. Basta Ignacio. Okay, yun lang guys. Peace out. Keep fingerboarding. 2 fingers. Peace.